Time value function converts a time to a number. This function has only one argument. In time text argument, select the time of any format which you want to convert to a number. Click cancel, active this cell. Click date and time arrow button, click time value function. In time text box, select this cell reference. Click OK. Function returns a value error because I have entered time as a number. Enter time as a text string. Press delete key. Click time value function. In time text box, enter time as a text string. Enter quote mark. Type 20. Enter ratio sign. Type 55. Enter ratio sign. Type 01. Again enter quote mark. Click OK. Function converts time string to a number. Active this cell. Click time value function. In time text box, enter time as a text string. Enter quote mark. Type 9. Enter ratio sign. Type 02. Enter ratio sign. Type 19. Press space key. Type PM. Again enter quote mark. Click OK. Function converts this time string to a simple number. In this way you can convert time to a number value.